Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Asian session that we're currently looking at. It's the March 4th, around 11 p.m. afternoon, evening. And so today was what happened was around this 7 p.m. area, there was strong bullish momentum. And then what happened was price just went crazy for I think it's 55 pips. It went there was a bullish momentum that lasted for 55 pips. What I try to do, I faded this trend move up by putting a sell limit order here, and this is above a high volume node where usually there's price rotation, and so that's exactly what happened. I got in about 1.92937, so that's about 1.92. No, sorry, 1.93597. It's about somewhere about there. Okay, and then I let it go for 1.93557. So about 5 pips. And as you can see right now, it's it may go down further, but in any case, here we had the Aussie cash rate news announcement come out, and so that's why we got this volatility, and there was this pullback. So that's why I just closed it before price came back up, just in case if we wanted to go higher. And that's pretty much it. I got about 20 cents in profit, so that's again about in pip value. It was trading one mini lot. It was about 5 pips. Okay, and so that was tonight's action. It was quite eventful. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the New York session. Trade well, and thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.